Hey, what's cracking, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to be installing LinuxHub Lite on bare metal. So this is to see how it works on bare metal. It pretty much works the same as it does in a virtual machine, but I'm going to put together a video so you guys can see me install it on bare metal. So during the installation on bare metal, I'm just going to play music because I'm recording it with a cell phone and the audio is all dodgy. So from this point out, you'll be hearing music. And then when we come back, once we're installed on the full system, I'm going to install PAMIC. That way I can install the simple screen recorder. And then once I get on the screen recorder, then I'll start talking again. But for now, we're going to go through the installation and do it on bare metal. We had one error during the installation, and this error happened not because of LinuxHub. It was something to do with a repository, and you know how it works because it's downloading stuff from the internet. But anyways, I just clicked on yes to continue to do it over again, and it went through without a problem. Again, that issue was not a LinuxHub issue. It had something to do with the one of the repositories. Somehow the internet connection got borked at that time or something happened. I don't know if it was on the internet connection on my end or the internet connection at their end. But anyways, I just redid it. Just clicked on Y so it could redo it again, and it went through without a problem. Okay? All right, you guys. Alrighty then. I got LinuxHub Lite installed, and I used PAMAC to install Simple Screen Recorder. So now I'm recording from the desktop. And let's take a look at the terminal. Make that bigger for you guys. All right, there it is. LinuxHub Lite version 101. Kernel 6.8.7. Window Manager, OpenBox. Got your theme info and everything. And you can see right here, everything set up. All right, and right now it's using 1200 megabytes of memory, and that's because I got Simple Screen Recorder up and running. But if I turn that off, it'll be like 300 megabytes. But because I'm recording a video, that's how much RAM it's using, which is not much, and it's not much. But let's go ahead and take a look at HTOP. All right, and there's HTOP. All right, and even with a Simple Screen Recorder, the load average is still 0.71, 0.67, and 0.49. All right, proof of concept right here. All right, anyways, I'm making this video because people are saying they're having problems with the ISO. So here, I put it on bare metal so you could see how it works. All right, and you know, this is the control center. Just wanted to say to you guys that the control center, once you remove it from auto start, you can access it again. And I'll show you how right now. So I'll go ahead and close this, and then I'll go to the menu, and then I'll go to settings right here. There's a button, big button right here that says settings. Just click on it, bam, opens it back up. All right, just in case you need to get to it. And from here, you know, you could update your repositories. I'll go ahead and do that. All right, repositories are updated. You can back up your system with time shift. All right, so you could just go through this and set it up the way you want to. I'm not going to do it for right now because I'm actually going to put another version of LinuxHub on here. I'm going to put the Builder series on here. All right, but this is just to show you that right here, you can see my hard drive. It is a terabyte Samsung SSD. So that's what we're using right now. So it would be that one right there. No, actually this one. The 1 terabyte. All right, but I'm not going to do this right now. I'm just going to close out of it and kill it. All right. And then as a software manager on the LinuxHub Lite, you saw me install the PAMAC for the AUR packages. But we also have Discover on here, and Discover is going to use a FlatHub. So you can install packages without having to install PAMAC. You can install packages from FlatHub right here. And this is on Discover. So bam, get on here, search for a package that you want to install, and just install it. Let's say like K-Stars. Go ahead and right here in the corner, it says install from FlatHub. I'll go ahead and click on that button. Down here on the left-hand lower corner, you got the task running. So once this is completed, it'll be installed. So we'll take a look at K-Stars right now. But let me go ahead and bring this down. And then this is OpenBox. So if you want to edit your auto start file, you just click on this file right here. Make this bigger. And then right here is all your access for the auto start on OpenBox. And if you want to edit your RC file, click on this, and this so you can edit your RC file. And this is where you can set all your key bindings and everything like that, all your functions. All right. And then under appearance, you got your display settings. So if you need to change your display settings, you can go through here, find a resolution that works for you and set it up. But I don't need to do that. And then you have your theme manager, which will open up LX appearance. So if you want to change the themes, you can do that right there. You got your wallpaper manager, which is nitrogen. So if you want to change your wallpaper, you can do it from there. Then right now, let me see, do I have window decorations? I do. You can see them up here in the corner. So let's say I want to remove the window decorations. Now open up the folder again. Now I have no decorations on the windows. So you can see how they look now. So now all the decorations are gone. But if you want to return the window decorations, there's a button right here. Bam. Click on that and bam. The window decorations are now returned, so you have your things. But I like to keep them off for myself, so I'll remove them. All right, that's the way I like to do it, so that's the way I do it. I control everything from the panel itself. So I'll just close that. And then if you want to edit the panel itself, there's a button right there for your panel manager. And this will get you all your functions to edit your panel itself. And from here, you could set up gradients, backgrounds, panel itself. Let's say, for example, I'm moving to the top. There it is on the top now. Move back to the bottom. Now it's back on the bottom. Panel items, which dictates everything that's on your panel. Got your taskbar settings, task buttons, launchers, the clock, system tray, battery if you're on a laptop or something that's a battery device, tooltips, and the buttons. All right. And then I put some videos on here. So, you know, like install guides and videos on to making your own respin and things like that. So, just, you know, extra info to get on yourself. That way you can learn a little bit more about LinuxHub and get to know the system that you're installing. All right. And there's a video right here for make your own respin. So you're all aware of the Builder series now. And I got a video here that'll take you there and get you started. And I also got a video to my channel on YouTube. So if you want to check me out, please subscribe and do the do. Alrighty then. So that's your system settings. So the menu that I got right here is just a YAD. It's just a YAD menu that I put together. So basically, you know, all your programs are right here. So anything you need to get to, it's all right here in this menu. And it's like I said, even though it's a light system, it has everything you need. You got your VLC video players. You got your Strawberry music player. You got your software installers on here. You got the Discovery. You got Kdenlive. You got your terminals. You got even put boxes on here. Let me open it back up. Shit, you got everything on here. You got your web browser. You got Genie, text editors, GIMP. You got all your Office suite. You got Celluloid for video. Everything. You got your firewall configurations. You got your customized look and feel. Everything is right here. You can find it right here. But also there's a button right here called search. And from right here, it'll open up Rofi. So, you know, Rofi is another menu you can use. But it's also good because it has the search right here, the search function. So you could directly search for whatever you're looking for. And as far as the power menu, there's a big button right here. It says power. You just click on it and boom, you got your reboot, shutdown, log out. You can restart OpenBox from here, or you can just cancel it. It has a timer going down. So once the timer goes down, it'll close on its own. So I'll let it do that right now. And bam, it's closed. I'll click on it again. Or you could just click on cancel and it'll just close it like that. All right. And this is OpenBox. So you do have a right click menu also. So from right here, you could access things also. So anywhere on the desktop you can click. You can access your menu system. So anywhere on the desktop, even on the side of the panel, anywhere that you click, it's going to open up another menu for you. All right. So you got plenty of menus. And then you got your volume control right here. So you're just using the scroll wheel on the mouse. Turns up and down your volume. You got your internet connections. So right there, bam, it's all set up. Got your clock, clicking on it, opens up a calendar. Click OK on that. And if you right click on it, it opens up the 10.2 settings so you can get to your panel. Just a force of habit of the way I like to set it up. But I'll go ahead and close these down. And let me see, did I put anything on the right click over here? Oh yeah, it's another power menu. So that's on the right click on the button right here. But I'll just click on cancel. I'm done with that. And then right here in the pin items, you got Firefox, you got your file manager, and then you also have a terminal and Genie is all right here. They're all pinned items that you can use. But like I said, this is a LinuxHub Lite. It's a light system, but it's very powerful. You can do everything that you need to do on it. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just wanted to show you that I installed it on bare metal and on UEFI. Usually when I do it in the virtual machine, I'm using BIOS, but this is a UEFI on bare metal. And this is on my system. Let me show you again. Let me do a LSBLK. And let me make this bigger. You can see right there on my 1 terabyte drive. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for this video, and I'm out.